UNewHaven. Well, if the smiling faces of our students are not enough of a reason to consider coming to the University of New Haven, I can tell you what sets our program apart from other programs. Our program prepares students for a successful career. We are the only chemical engineering program in New England at a primarily undergraduate-focused institution. This means that our institution is not driven by a PhD program, and while our faculty do perform cutting-edge research, we focus on excellent teaching and giving more undergraduates opportunities to be involved in research. Because of this undergraduate focus, our students interact closely with our faculty. All classes are taught by faculty, not graduate students, as you might find at larger PhD granting institutions. In addition, we are one of the only chemical engineering programs in the country to be housed in a chemistry and chemical engineering department. This means that our students can benefit from a close relationship with the chemistry department, and students can work on research projects with both chemistry and chemical engineering faculty. Another benefit to our program is our small class size. Our classes average about a dozen students. Therefore, not only do our faculty get to know each student well, but students form a very tight bond. If ever I need to find some of our students, I know I can find a handful of them working on group projects in our chemical engineering computer classroom. Finally, our program offers flexible course choices. Our students are able to choose 2 chemistry electives and 3 engineering electives based on their areas of interest. Example course cluster options include biomedical, pharmaceuticals, and energy, but our faculty work with each student to determine the most ideal courses to take to prepare students for their dream careers. Not only do students choose their courses to prepare them for future jobs, but also they work in our newly renovated chemical engineering lab. The sole purpose of this lab is for students, not faculty, to use for classes, to work on their chemical reaction-driven car for the American Institute of Chemical Engineers car competition, or simply to observe real pieces of industrial equipment. In addition, in many of their courses, students also utilize computer-based data acquisition software, control systems, and process modeling software commonly used in the field. When in the laboratory, safety is one of our key focuses. Therefore, our students learn while always considering safe practices. One of the advantages to chemical engineering is that it can serve as a foundation for a career in a variety of specialized fields. Therefore, we have created 3 linked graduate programs, where in 5 years, students can earn a bachelor's in chemical engineering and a master's in either biomedical engineering, environmental engineering, or chemistry. Benefits to these linked programs include early acceptance to the graduate program, a more streamlined application process, and students begin taking graduate courses during their senior year, utilizing their undergraduate electives. Finally, our chemical engineering students graduate on to successful careers. Almost all of our students complete internships or work on research projects before graduating. Here's an incomplete list of where our students have either completed internships, started full-time jobs, or continued on to complete advanced graduate degrees. This top photo shows Anna, a chemical engineering graduate who, after completing 2 summer internships at different chemical plants for the Albemarle Corporation and being offered a full-time job at Albemarle to start before she even began her senior year, decided to instead accept a full-time job at Pratt & Whitney. In the middle is a photo of Andrew, also a graduate, who, in addition to performing research with chemistry faculty member Nancy Savage, completed 2 internships, one at Watson Foods, right here in West Haven, and the other at Siemens in Massachusetts. He is currently working at CAI in the pharmaceutical industry as a commissioning and qualification engineer. Below is Raven, on the left, explaining chemistry concepts to the public at an outreach event. Raven graduated this past spring, and as an undergraduate, she completed an internship in North Carolina at a polymer resins company and was on the university lacrosse team. Raven loves the University of New Haven so much that she is staying on to earn her master's in environmental engineering. Without a doubt, our undergraduate-focused program with modern industrial teaching equipment, option to complete both a bachelor's and master's degree in 5 years, and our long-standing history of students with successful careers is the perfect institution in New England to earn a degree in chemical engineering. If you're interested in learning more or have any questions, please feel free to contact us. If you want to see what our programs and our students are up to, you can follow us on Instagram as well. Thank you.